Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Earth in motion: how continents drift and mountains move. Today's video explores Earth in motion. Although the planet appears solid and unchanging, the surface of Earth is constantly moving. Continents slowly drift, mountains rise and erode, and ocean basins open and close. These movements take place over millions of years and shape the landforms seen today. Earth's outer layer is called the crust. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, made of hot, slowly moving rock. The crust and the uppermost part of the mantle together form the lithosphere. The lithosphere is broken into large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates float on the softer, slowly moving layer beneath them. Plate movement causes continents to drift and landforms to change over time. In the early 20th century, scientist Alfred Wegener proposed a theory of continental drift. He suggested that continents were once joined together in a single landmass called Pangaea. Over time, this landmass slowly broke apart and drifted to its current positions. Evidence for this idea includes matching coastlines, similar fossils found on distant continents, and rock layers that align across oceans. Later discoveries explained how continents move. The theory of plate tectonics describes how tectonic plates shift due to heat-driven movement in the mantle. Plates move only a few centimeters per year, but over millions of years, this motion leads to major changes. At divergent boundaries, plates move apart and new crust forms. At convergent boundaries, plates collide. At transform boundaries, plates slide past each other. Mountains often form where tectonic plates collide. When two continental plates push together, neither easily sinks. Instead, the crust crumbles and folds upward, forming mountain ranges. The Himalayas formed when the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate. This process continues today, causing the mountains to slowly rise even as erosion wears them down. Some mountains form through volcanic activity. When magma rises through the crust and erupts repeatedly, layers of rock build up over time. Other mountains form through faulting. When large blocks of crust move upward or downward along faults, fault block mountains are created. These processes show that mountains form in more than one way. Continents continue to move today. Africa is slowly separating from the East African Rift. The Atlantic Ocean continues to widen as North America and Europe drift apart. Earthquakes and volcanoes often occur along plate boundaries, revealing ongoing motion beneath Earth's surface. While tectonic forces build mountains, erosion shapes and lowers them. Wind, water, ice, and gravity break down rock and transport sediment. Over long periods of time, landscapes rise, fall, and transform. Earth's surface reflects a balance between building forces and wearing forces. Earth is a dynamic planet shaped by movement beneath the surface. Continental drift and mountain building reveal a planet that is always changing. By studying Earth in motion, scientists gain insight into the past and better understand the processes shaping the world today. Thank you for learning with Easy A Homeschool Academy today. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.